Why does God use a symbol of a rock when he talks about the Book of Mormon? Well, let's discuss that for a few minutes. First of all, let's remind ourselves that the Book of Mormon was revealed before the church, before the priesthood. So the Book of Mormon is the foundation, the rock, for the restoration. Let's take a look at Doctrine and Covenants, section 18, verse 4. And God is speaking by revelation about the Book of Mormon. For in them, in the Book of Mormon, all things written concerning the foundation of my church, my gospel, and my rock. In this phrase, in this verse, we hear God describing the church and the gospel and a rock all in a similar fashion. I'd like to extend this a bit more to consider the Book of Mormon as a rock. I want to tell just a brief story. When the temple in Jerusalem was being refurbished by Herod the Great, they put in huge, massive foundation stones to provide support for the enormous structure. And that rock has sat there now for over 2 millennia, upholding this beautiful platform where holy sites have been for more than 2,000 years. When I look at this rock, I think about many things. I think about Jesus, that he is the foundation, the sure foundation that supports us. I also think about the Book of Mormon. It's the foundation stone upon which other truths are built. So in the church, what God has done is built the church on the revelations and the priesthood authority that were originally discussed in the Book of Mormon. So if you want to be better founded on the gospel of Jesus Christ, look to the rock Jesus Christ and the rock, the Book of Mormon, which is a foundation for the church in the latter days.